Do you wish you could have more control over your thoughts? Do you wish you could have control of your mind? I'm going to teach you one of the best hacks that there are when it comes to growing a business, when it comes to achieving something different, when it comes to like getting into good health, taking control of a relationship, really anything in life. One of the core ingredients is having control of our minds and what we think and how we feel about what we're doing, because that will dictate where things go. This morning I was having a super negative day, and I'm at a place in my life where most of my mornings are not that negative. I was in the shower and I had one thought after another of just like negative worry. Then I would stop worrying about that, and then my brain would just inject this other worry. And I was like, what gives, brain? What is going on today? So here's the reality. Yes, human beings today are very sophisticated people. We have very sophisticated thinking processes. We're pretty much the most advanced species on the planet. That being said, don't forget that our brains haven't changed much in hundreds of thousands of years. And when it came to our survival in the past, our survival literally depended on our ability to focus on the negative and to think about negative things possibly happening, like this tiger jumping at us or someone stealing all our food. So we were literally conditioned this way through hundreds of thousands of years. But if we can recognize that, see the thought for what it is, and then remind ourselves that we are safe, that is the way to take control of your mind. Try this hack and let me know how it works for you.